So we have a Glock 43. This is my smallest pistol, one of my favorite concealed carry pistols because I can wear it in shorts and a t-shirt and you won't imprint at all. So really love concealed carrying this, but I got an idea. I got a rugged Obsidian 9 suppressor, and you can get a tool like this from a couple of different companies to actually make this short. So you can take this whole, almost take it down to about half the overall length. So when I found out I could get a tool for that and do this, let's see if we can put it on this. So I went online to a company that sells ridiculously cheap stuff for firearms, and it's Combat Armory, I think. I don't have any affiliation with them. I've paid for anything I've gotten from them, but I got this Glock 43 extended threaded barrel. 10 is just because it's the only one I could get at the time, and I just got this for this to try this out. I don't know if this will work or not, but that's what we're going to find out. So what we're going to do is we're going to shoot a couple of rounds with this, then put the new barrel in, shoot a couple of rounds with that, then put the suppressor on it, shoot a couple of rounds with Supersonic, and then shoot a couple of rounds with Subsonic. See how it goes, if it functions, and what the sound difference is. So let's try all of that out. All right, so completely stock shooting Supersonic regular ammo. I've never had an issue with these or this firearm. So now let's throw the new barrel in and see how that works. All right, so now we've got the new threaded barrel in, running the same ammo. And we've got a jam. I had 3 rounds in there. It fired one, cycled one properly, shot that one, and then tried to chamber the 3rd round and got stuck. And manually doing it, it's trying to get stuck too. And to be fair, this barrel I think was 30 bucks. So, and I fired the last round and it didn't like the slide back either. So now let's go ahead and throw the suppressor on this and see what it does. All right, so now we've got the shortened rugged Obsidian 9 suppressor on here, running the same supersonic ammo. You can definitely tell it's a little bit quieter, and it looked like it changed. No, it didn't. It ejected the round but didn't chamber another round. Same thing. Ejected the round but didn't chamber another round. Fired and ejected but didn't lock the slide back. So that's pretty neat. It is quieter, but so far not very reliable. So now let's run some subsonic ammo and see if anything changes. All right, so same thing, except now we're running subsonic ammunition. If you're new to this and you don't know, subsonic rounds travel slower than supersonic, so they end up being quieter when you run them through a suppressor. So we've got 3 of those subsonic rounds up here. Let's see how this works. You can tell how much quieter it is with subs. And that ejected a round and chambered another round. Same thing, ejected a round, chambered another round. And locked the slide back. So I could probably run this a little bit more and it functioned a little bit better, but I did shoot this and test it a little bit before filming this video, and I had a bunch of issues, and filming it got better, so that's why I said might be running it a little bit more might make it a little bit more reliable, which, yeah, I know. But with the suppressor on here with this new barrel and running subsonics, I haven't had any issues with that, so that's pretty neat. So that was pretty neat, running the really small Glock 43 pistol with a suppressor. It's the first time I've done that. I just wanted to see how it went. And it's, like I said, definitely got some issues, but I was using an extremely cheap barrel that may or may not work itself out and get more reliable. But either way, I mean, it's not like you're going to be concealed carrying a suppressor anyway. I just wanted to do it just for a fun video to see how it went, and it was pretty neat. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. See you.